Okay, I've got this little birdhouse ready. Nice little hole for something small, little finch, maybe. And then I drilled 4 holes in the bottom. And I've drilled 2 holes on the top that I'm going to put a string through after it's painted. So I'm going to use alcohol inks today. My girlfriend gave me several colors. So I've got a little bit of each one of them poured on a plastic lid here. And I'm just going to kind of have at it and see how it works here. No, it's kind of running. Supposed to just pour it on and kind of smear it around. Now these are pearls, but I'm going to mix some stuff with it that's not, kind of let it run together. Here's that orange. I'm going to do the pink and the orange. So if you put too much, it can just really run, but it doesn't matter. It's going to go right over the top of the... This one's kind of hard to hold on to, but I'll try to do it left-handed. That's a pearl. Now what I want to try to do is spray it. Let's see, we've got to go over this whole birdhouse, but if you spray it, it's supposed to make it blotch. There you go. It runs a little more. It makes it more like a watercolor. There you go. So that's just spraying a little bit of alcohol on it. And you could take your little tool and kind of sop it up. I might just be making a mess here. Let's go some different colors. Let's put a little bit of green in there. Now it's not going to matter because it's going to all run all over and run in together. And eventually cover the whole thing. Let's see how it kind of runs. That's pretty cool. I want it a little lighter, so I'm gonna mix it around a little. I like that bright green. I think I'm going to hit it with the orange first and then just go fill in around. And then hit it with the alcohol. Just kind of playing here and seeing what happens. I don't want it too bright, so I'm gonna hit it, let it run.